Affiliate marketing is often all about small optimizations, which ultimately add up to a higher conversion rate. This morning, I took a quick look at the direct messages to Affiliate Forest, and after responding to a few of them, I could see that most people were simply asking how they can start learning affiliate marketing. Additionally, more than half the messages from people saying hi or hello turned out to be asking for the same thing. It's important to recognize that these direct messages are valuable leads. Probably they haven't seen any call to action, and they're just looking for a next step to start engaging. Facebook has a great feature called automated responses. This allows you to send an instant response to anyone who messages your Facebook page or Instagram account. It's a perfect opportunity to provide that call to action. We can even add personalizations such as the person's first name. This makes things look a little less automated. In this case, I'm going to tell people that if they sign up for our website, they will get regular emails teaching them affiliate marketing. Now, some might question whether this is the right way to engage with users. However, our priority is to move our audience off social media and onto our mailing list. From there, you can email your fans directly, replying to their emails, while also being able to contact them with useful newsletters whenever you like. And remember, if you don't have time to respond to all your messages, then those potential leads will be lost forever. That's it for this quick tip. For more affiliate marketing tips, hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.